It's my dinner. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hopefully see you tonight.
See you.
Have a good one. Bye. Look at this. Give me focus. Give me focus. This is Arsenale. Beautiful sky, my god. And sunset. You know, sunset always makes a very great view. I always shoot video when there's sunset. And this is my crew. We're going to see the firework tonight. So great weather, great day for the festival. It's incredible! Man, look at the sky. Oh, I've never seen this in Venice. Never seen this in Venice. Today is a festival. What is the name of the festival? I don't remember. Me and my friends are going to celebrate. Wait! Get a shot of me. Get a shot of me. Get us. Yeah. Hi. Cool. Look at the sky. It's insane. The sky is changing color. I should totally make a time lapse here. But it's very windy. I don't think my tripod can hold this. Too bad. This is our settlement. We're sitting here now waiting for the firework. Are we waiting for the firework here? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna watch the firework here. The firework will go that direction. There's the moon.
And you can see it around Venice. It's really big. No. So we were looking for a boat. It's not big. Oh, sorry. I thought you were
The redness of the sky is gone. Now it's just blue, which is also gorgeous. The sky just turned yellow. It's yellow now. And the color will be gone very soon. Look at that boat. That is definitely full of young people disco with the music, the light. And in comparison, that is an old ass ship. Nobody's dancing there, no music. Look at that, that's boring. And here we are having some article situation. And
yeah, take it, yeah. What the hell?
I'll drink it out. I'll drink it out. Open it. Yeah. What's up? Aspetta. Firework is happening. And people are complaining about me standing up. This is very good food skill.
Questa è la fine. Mi sa che questa è la fine.
Esatto. No. No, basta, negli anni 80. to sing Chinese. Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
They